So, love lasts forever when she said yes. Yes, this is another review from the company She Said Yes, who is sponsoring this video. And yes, I'm working with them again. I love the communication. I love the customer service, all of that, okay? And I would not be giving you guys this information and reviewing this if it was not legit, if it was not, thorough with me testing out the jewelry, wearing the jewelry pieces, and really giving you 100% feedback. Good, bad, indifferent. Okay, but this is good. This is good. Now this time, as I'm showing you on the unboxing, I love details. Details in packaging. I love that. You got me. You hooked me with the packaging, and I love it. Okay, so as you're seeing the unpackaging, the evil eye necklace, and I'm going to show some more up close video of the piece. But I love it. It's so dainty. It's so girly. I love that. I am a kind of dainty girly girl, and this is just perfect. It fits with everything. It goes with everything. You can dress it up. You can dress it down. It's just a good piece, everyday jewelry piece that you can put on. You can get it in, various carats, 10 carat, 24 carat, 18 carat. You can get different lengths of the chain, masonite, gems, lab grown gems. And then with this one, this particular necklace, I did a purple because purple is my favorite color. So I wanted to, switch up the gem, the stone, and the necklace, and that's just what I did. And you can do that as well. The website is so easy to follow and pick things from, whatever you're looking for. If you're looking for rings, if you're looking for, again, necklace, if you're looking for bracelets, if you're looking for earrings, if you're looking for jewelry, fine jewelry, definitely check out She Said Yes. And of course, use my code Nisha15 to get 15% off your purchase. Okay, so I appreciate you guys for tuning in. This was a short video, and definitely, like I said, I would not suggest something to you that I have not tried out. I've worn this necklace. I've taken a shower in this necklace, and you're supposed to, take your jewelry off, but I don't. And the other necklace, I wear them both at the same time. So yeah, I wear them and I shower in them. It's an everyday piece for me, and I don't take them out. And the quality has not, I haven't seen any issues with tarnishing, with, turning a color. It has stayed true to its original color, its original shape. Okay, so for sure, thank you guys for tuning in. If you made it this far, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And again, Nisha15 for 15% off your next purchase. And of course, in the comments, give me your comment, give me your feedback. If you've tried them before, what's your experience with them? And yeah, like and share. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. So until then, bye-bye.
Thanks for watching my GG channel. Period.